Step 1. Open your default browser and go to www.switchidea.com. Step 2. Click on the Register button on the top right side. Step 3. After clicking on Register button, choose the Student option. Step 4. After selecting the Student option in the previous step, you will be taken to the registration page. Here you will see a Register button. Click on it. Step 5. After clicking on Register button, you will see 2 modules. Choose the suitable module as per your preferences. Step 6. In this step, you need to fill in your details. Once you're done, click on Next. Step 7. Fill in your college name, category, and your course and then click Next. Step 8. Choose the desired payment method and complete the payment process. Step 9. After a successful payment, you will receive a verification email. Click on the link to verify your email address. Step 10. Once you verify, you can log in and then complete your profile and start applying for internships.